Viking. Ah, New Zealand. Yeah, New Zealand. So this one is for Viking about the emojis. Okay, these are the emojis that I am using. So first, we're going to go to the YouTube Studio. Punta na ako sa YouTube Studio. Let's go to the YouTube Studio. Viking is from New Zealand. Yeah. Yeah. Australia. That's why I love it. Around the world with love. The super love stars at LuvLiNes. Okay, I'm waiting for that. So, meantime. Okay, so this is the channel dashboard. Dito tayo sa dashboard. Akyat pa ba yung ano ko ah? In the channel dashboard, ito tayo sa dashboard. Where you can see the latest performance. Oh no, performance. Channel subscribers ko, oh, hindi na umakyat. Hindi siya umakyat at cha-cha siya. So, channel dashboard and then scroll down. So, this is channel dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, monetization, customization. We're going to click monetization. Ito yon. And in monetization, there's overview, membership, overview, membership, and supers. I'm going to click membership. Yan. It is in the membership. Taas nung ano, membership tayo. Tadeng! Ayan, this is it. Can I make this bigger? Let me see if I can make this bigger. Alright. Pwede pala siyang bigger. Oh, see, this is bigger. Are you there? Viking! Ang laki-laki Viking. Gusty wins. I will tell everyone here when I will start. Okay. That way, I'm in Tony's Kittle House on video. Rose Street Fighter. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Datu. Alright. So, umpisa ba ako? So, we're already here at channel monetization and I clicked membership. And in membership, eto na, your members. Nakalista na yung members. I have members already. I can check all. And membership offer. My membership is like this. Wala pa ako. Ay, bakit ako mag-edit? So, my membership offer is Super Love Star 1. 1 star, 49. 3 stars. This is 3 stars. You know the logic style, something like that. So this star with the rays on its in between is equivalent to 2. So this is Super Love Star. That's 3 stars. Super Love 5 stars. This is 1499. I just wala lang. Wala lang, ginanyan ko lang. So, ganun yan. Okay. Oh, no. We're not talking about that anymore, but we're just talking about the badges and emojis. So, I have here the badge. I have 6 badge and 7 emojis. I will be editing. Para makita natin. So, let's check this. You can edit. Ayan, badges. We can choose upload my own or use generic YouTube badges. Yung parang, is it like S, letter S. So, 1:1 ang ratio ng height. Less than 1 MB. Aspect ratio is 1:1. 1 ang height, 1 ang width. And minimum is 32 by 32 pixels. So, membership duration, if for a new member, 1 month member, and 6 months member. So, one new member ko, my new member is color green with the crown and star, 1 star. After 1 month is blue crown and star. 2 months is already pink. Pink ba to? Pink with a star. Yeah, crowned with a star. And 6 months, this is the crown color. This is color faded green to it fades. It's a gradient from red to green. And the star is already, it's 2 star actually. The outer is borderline is yellow and the inner star is red. And for 1 year, ayan, 3 stars na siya. 1 year, 12 months. So that's it. That's the badge. Viking. Okay. Di ako makatulog, host. Ala sis. Sige, relax ka na lang sis. Okay. So we're done. It's like that. So we can edit the badges. You can do, you can edit. Like, for example, anyway, you already know that Viking, no? Already know that. For example, I have my downloads here. I want to change the badge from here. Somewhere here. Ayan. Kaya lang ayoko na. I just open where you save that. Anyway, cancel ko na. So I'm going to do this is first upload badges and emojis. So I have my badge. I open the badge. These are the badges for the members. For the duration. Yan, iba-iba. And this is the emoji. So you click the emoji part. And then you'll be able to see your emojis here. Same, it's 32 by 32 pixel and then the size. Here you can do this one. So I have here, this is panda. The panda here, it means hug. So you can name emojis. I name my emoji hug. So when I put this hug, okay, pick a name that's meaningful to your fans. If it's more than one word, use the underscore symbol. Example, smiley cat. Make sure your emoji can be seen when small and against a dark background. So I try it because my background, I have my dark background and I like it. And it can be seen also here in white. So it's a transparent. I edit that. So that's like that. I change this one. For example, so I have how many subscribers? I was able to upload how many? 7 emojis also. As the number increases, the number of emojis that you can make increases also. It increases. So as you gain more members, you can upload and share more emoji. Me, 8 emoji. I need 2 more members so that I can add 1 emoji. And here, advanced, create a unique family name. Members can use this family name to quickly autocomplete your emoji while typing. Ayan. They can say love. You can just type love. Love dance. So that the family name of my emoji is love. So whenever you type that is love hugs, it says love hugs, love star, love love, love hello, love here, something like that. Love thanks. This flower is love thanks. You can edit the name here. So if you want 2 words, you can just underscore here and underscore. No special. It doesn't like. Bahala siya sa buhay niya. So 1 word. Ayaw niya eh. I did. Ayaw niya nang isaan ng ano eh. Anyway. So to change, replace image, just click this pencil and search from the computer. I want to use the this one. Which do you want? Love it? Love it. Let me try this one. Okay. So Iba yung saying, wow. Emoji should be at least 3 characters. Ayaw niya ng isa. So, wow. Wow. When you say wow, love it. Love wow. And then, that's it. Save and publish. That's that easy. So that's how you do it. I have 7 emojis because I have how many members? Membership. These are my members. How many members ko? Hindi ako marunong magbilang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 13. So, 15 members, 8 emojis. And Dank updated his membership into 3 stars. Yeah, so that's it. Dank, remember Dank, he just want to be color green. So, I made him, I have him authorized member. Pointless Dad! Hello, Pointless Dad. Thank you so much for coming. Maraming salamat. So, that's it. Doon lang hanggang doon na lang po yung tutorial. I hope you were able to learn something. DJ Cat, maraming salamat. Pointless Dad, maraming morning lesson pala. DJ Cat, CC, my dear DJ Cat, maraming salamat po. Jobs Dublin Channel, hello host, tusok na. Maraming salamat po, Jobs Dublin Channel. DJ Cat, hello MLSO. And I want you to meet Datu, OTW to Film Nation. Thank you so much, Datu. Datu is fishing. He wants fishes and many bananas. Ghostly Tony is a very high-spirited person, brings in excitement and the added smile. Yes. And Ghostly is very calming person because of that. Boyet, Engket, maraming salamat. Iliitan ko na to, i-reset ko na yung screen kasi parang ang lapit sa mukha ko. Viking Gaming FGC, Yolanda. Ayan. Boyet, Viking Gaming FGC, MLSO. Boyet, Engkat, padikit lang. Oh. Yan ang sabi ko na nga pala. Niku, Augustly, hugs to all internet is going to be all over the place till I return home. Yeah.